You know, driving around town, you can't pass by a park without seeing all the kids out there either practicing or playing some sport right now.
That's right. So listen up, parents. Dr. Kurt Kacer is here today to remind you how important it is to guard their mouths with mouth guards for the athletes in our family. Doctor, thanks so much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
So what has OrthoPros been doing recently to sort of bring awareness to this?
Yeah, we've actually started a really nice program where we're doing custom mouth guards for kids focusing on 8 to 12 years of age, softball leagues, getting ready for football leagues as well too. And it's been really nice in getting people mouth guards that fit and fit well to protect from the facial injuries that happen a lot of times in sports.
And now, like I said, the kids are all, I've seen them out everywhere. I see soccer, I'm seeing, you know, every kind of sport, someone's out there doing something. So if a parent is listening, really, what is the difference? What makes it so important that we have the right fit, of course, and then just to have a mouth guard in general? Yeah,
and even the thickness of the mouth guard and how they're made. The custom mouth guards are made a lot different than the ones that if you go to the store and buy one as well too, right? And getting that, when they come into the office, we'll take an impression of their specific teeth, have them bite into it, and so when we're done making that, it fits their teeth specifically up and protects the gum tissues as well too. And it's just a lot more, a better custom fit to protect from the injuries.
Right, that's important, the custom fit.
Yes.
It fits your mouth. Now, what are the different types of mouth guards? Are there different types that they can use?
Yeah, there are, and a lot of times it deals with the thickness and how they're made as well too. And one of the things about the custom mouth guards that we're doing is in terms of not just a custom fit, but also putting some logos on them as well. So, you know, if a team has their logo, we can incorporate that in as well too. And a lot of kids love that, get their number on there and their name, because it's actually a 2-layer process, so we can incorporate that in. And it also provides them better protection than the ones that are off the rack or over the counter.
Well, let's be honest. The kids are like, "Oh, come on, Mom! I gotta do the helmet and the mouth guard and that." But you put, you know, something cool on it, like a logo or their number, and they're so proud to have it and show it off. So we know how kids work and their minds. So parents know that that's going to be something that's going to help them. But you guys, you come on here, you know, to let our viewers know about it. We're trying to get the word out of the importance. But you guys even go above and beyond that. You guys have a clinic, right?
Yes, and so what we're doing now is getting the teams to come in and get fitted for the mouth guard. So we'll set aside a time. A lot of times we'll do it on either a Monday, you know, after work, or a Saturday as well too, where it's a really fun event where they're coming in, the whole team comes in, we have a lot of stuff going on. They'll come in and get the impressions, and then we'll deliver them to them later, and we're offering that. And that's really starting to take off in terms of teams. There's usually somebody kind of in charge that we can get in contact with, and they can arrange all of it as well too.
So you make it kind of like a fun thing. It's kind of like putting broccoli in a smoothie and making vegetables. Exactly. I know they're drinking it, but it's good for them.
Exactly.
So is this really every sport that you should have a mouth guard, or is it only certain ones in your
I mean, there's a lot. Soccer, footballs are big, you know, and softball as well too are the main ones. But I mean, the mouth guards are great, right? And just in general for any sport. I mean, we get a lot of kickboxing, right, and a lot of jiu-jitsu as well too, that people have come in for. And it's really just the importance of protecting your teeth. We see a lot of injuries in broken teeth, and it's the front teeth too, right? And it's when you see it in an 8, 9, 10-year-old, it's heartbreaking to see that, right? And especially with a front tooth.
Oh, yeah. And actually, I was just out at the dog park yesterday, and I saw the little ones that were out there. Oh, I love to watch them play. It's so adorable. But are we talking mouth guards from as little all the way up through, I mean, even through college, right?
Yeah. I mean, they're important to wear, right? And so with every sport, I mean, you even see it in the NBA, right? Steph Curry and LeBron all have these custom mouth guards, and that's essentially what we're making, right? Is that custom type that's thicker and offers more protection as well. But yeah, right now we are focusing more on kind of the 8 to 12-year-olds, because usually by the time in high school there's some sort of system in place for that as well too. But everybody should be wearing a mouth guard if you're playing sports.
Absolutely.
Right, it's important to bring awareness to this, and it's also important to say that you are kind of a one-stop shop for everything that you need for your teeth.
Yes.
People can get their braces, they can get Invisalign, and what are blockade braces too, right? What are those?
Yeah, exactly. So we have the University of Arizona braces that the kids are just loving, and it's kind of like the custom mouth guards, right? For kids at that age, anything that's custom, that's fun, you know, that they have an identity with, it's better than just the bland kind of traditional stuff. So we've incorporated a lot of different things to try and make it fun. The blockade braces, they do a lot of red and blue, you know, on top of the U of A brackets, and even school colors as well too. So it's been really good for us.
I think that's important. You know, the parents should be reaching out to the coaches, let them know that you guys have those clinics so you can bring the whole team in. And like you said, there's going to be somebody that's going to be the individual person. And this is a great opportunity to make, you know, your office their one-stop shop for everything else in the future. So this is a great opportunity to come in to see what else you guys offer.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. And we say even if it's not, give us a call. We'll get in touch with the right people to arrange it as well too. Yeah.
Yeah, it always takes that one phone call.
Yeah.
Right, exactly. I mean, you can't put a price on maintaining your smile, especially if the kid got their teeth worked on already.
Yes.
You want to protect it at every cost.
Yes, exactly.
Give them their mouth guard. And I've always said this, every time you come on, you will not meet nicer people than at OrthoPros. You go in there, you feel taken care of. It's like you're there with friends. And so it really makes a difference when you get your kid in there. And I want to thank you so much for coming on and telling us all about this.
Thank you for having me.
And every time you come on.
Yeah, we really appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, no, absolutely. And to learn more about the Mouth Guard clinics and all of their other services, call OrthoPros at 290-8787 or visit their website, orthoprostucson.com.